Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got our 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to go over how you would replace this light here, which the light bulb itself, and also this housing on your Kia Forte. This is the interior housing, and this is a clearance light for the back of your vehicle. So first you got to pop the trunk and raise it up. So with the trunk raised up, you can go around. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 push pins to remove to be able to get this cover off. These push pins just pull out and remove, and just pop them all off all the way around. And then you got up here, you got the handle to be able to pull the trunk down. You need to remove that, and that is just 2 screws in there. They're just a Phillips size screw. You just need to remove them. With those screws removed, this whole thing can be taken out. And then you can remove these 3 screws. This electrical connector here, to get this housing element out. These 3 bolts right here, size 10. Undo those, remove those. You can squeeze this rubber grommet together and press it through, just like we did with the one down here. And then just gonna pop the light up a little bit and pull it out. And that way you can feed the whole housing element out and remove it. And then you've got just a cable back here. If just replacing the light bulb, you can pop it out and get a new bulb to put in here. And these you just pull out. You can go either way. And this light bulb is a W5W, and that's the light bulb you would get to put back in here. And this is just like a clearance light that lights up when you turn on your lights. Okay, so you put it back, put the light bulb in, line it up, turn it clockwise to tighten it back in. And if you're just replacing the housing, you know, that's how you remove the housing. But now, if this was cracked or broken, you'd be replacing it. So, since we're done there, we can just feed that back through. Line it back up. Make sure you pull this grommet through, and then it's all the way through, sealed up, and that way you don't get any leaks. Tighten your 3 screws. Hold that back into place, and then connect your electrical connector back up, and that's how you replace this interior light on your back housing which is just a clearance light on your Kia Forte of 2019. Last, of course, you would put this back on, put all the push pins, put the 2 screws in here, and that's how you replace that. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.